Today we're looking at the 2026 Cadillac XT5 Sport in a stellar black metallic. This one is powered by a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our jet black interior, leather heated and ventilated seats on both sides with our power seat controls here at the bottom left. Of course, up top we do have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel. And inside, you'll find our infotainment system with built-in navigation to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. To the left of that, we have our push-to-start ignition, as well as this vehicle does come equipped with keyless entry and remote start. Down below, you'll find our dual climate controls, additional cubby storage, our shifter, 2 cup holders, audio controls, and of course, additional storage here inside the middle console with our USB-C and USB charge ports, and our wireless charging pad in the middle as well. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows. And right above that, we do have our power adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle, we have our power locks and our Bose Performance speakers. And right below that, we do have our seat memory settings. To the right of that, we have our park brake. And if we take a look up in the windshield here, you'll see we do have our heads-up display. Moving along here at the right-hand side of the steering wheel, you'll find our audio controls. And on the left-hand side, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our cruise control settings. And below, you'll find our forward collision alert and our heated steering wheel controls. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go alongside the rear view camera and our parking sensors here along the side. Up top, we have our rear view mirror digital display that you can turn on and off by the flick of a switch to your liking. And of course, all the way up top, we have our universal home garage opener and our power controls for our lovely sunroof. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our black interior, leather heated seats on both sides. If we take a look in the middle, you'll find our heated seat controls to go alongside our 2 vents, additional storage, and our USB-C and USB charge ports. Behind each front seat, there is cubbies with additional storage. And if we take a look in the middle, you'll also find our cup holders, as well as these seats are retractable. You'll find a lever up top. Just pull down and this will give you access to the back, no problem. Checking out the exterior here on the XT5, we do have our classic Cadillac badge in the middle of our grille with chrome accents along the front of the grille as well. LED headlights and fog lamps. And moving along to the side here, you'll find our Michelin tires. Of course, up top, we have our power adjustable side mirrors with blinkers integrated along the side. Keyless entry handles, like I mentioned earlier, as well as black roof rails up top. Tint in the rear window. And if we make our way to the back here, you'll find the XT5 badge on the left, Cadillac badge in the middle, and the 400 on the right. Inside the trunk here, we have our privacy cover up top with additional storage and hooks on each side, as well as in the middle with our spare tire. And that is our 2026 Cadillac XT5 Sport in a stellar black metallic. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.